All right, guys, good morning. Happy Monday to everybody. It's Coach John and Coach Mia. We got some healthy tips for you guys to start your Monday off. We're going to do our bacon, egg, and cheese healthy style. How does that sound?
Good.
Good. Bacon, egg, and cheese healthy style. All right, so we have some ingredients over here that we're going to use. We have some carb-savvy tortillas that are whole wheat that we got from Trader Joe's. No, they're not paying us to promote that. We got some hard-boiled eggs, basic value from Walmart. And we got some bacon bits, right? We're going to use some bacon bits. We got some part skim, low-fat mozzarella cheese here, cooking spray, and we got our pan and our dish. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our hard-boiled eggs, put them on our plate. I like to eat 4 hard-boiled eggs.
Yeah.
That's part of my breakfast diet caloric intake. So we're gonna do 4 hard-boiled eggs. And I'm gonna open this here. Having a hard time. Oh, sorry. Mia loves stinky eggs.
No, I don't.
She always.
Don't listen to him because I don't like stinky eggs.
She loves stinky eggs.
Yeah, right.
She eats
Don't
them,
listen to him.
she-
I don't eat them at all. Don't listen to him.
She eats them every day.
No, I don't. I eat waffles every day for breakfast. Not stinky eggs.
All right, so we're gonna take the stinky eggs. Hold my hand here, okay? All right, so we're gonna cut them in half, right? Every one I like to cut in half. Once we cut them in half, I like to take the yolk out. Now from here, depending on the yolk, some of it comes out, most of it comes out, but I'm not concerned if all of it comes out. I'm okay with a little of it being in here. You guys can see, I know the lighting's not the greatest in this kitchen, but basically I have a hollow half of a hard-boiled egg, right? It's hollow. Take most of the yolks out, but not all of it. Whatever comes out, comes out. Whatever sticks, sticks. Sometimes there's little bits, which I'm okay with, I don't mind. Now, the next thing I'll do, right, since we got all the yolks out, is we're gonna take some bacon bits, right? So Mia, put some bacon bits in each one of the eggs. So now we have basically almost like an egg cup. If you look at the inside there, see it? It's kind of empty. She's gonna put some bacon bits in there. Okay, so we're gonna put the bacon bits in there as she eats some. So we put enough to get to almost to the top of the egg. I like a lot of bacon bits. Depends really on your preference. Good. Go ahead, a little more. Yep, I'll hold them up for you so they stay straight. Go ahead. Every one.
Couple?
Yep, get them in there.
There.
A little bit more in that last one.
There.
Okay, cool. So good job with that. We can kind of pack those. Would you stop eating all the bacon? Oh my goodness. Now, just so you guys know, you notice a couple fall to the floor. So if anything falls to the floor, we have our own cleanup crew here, okay? So we got cleanup crew 1 and we got cleanup crew 2 right here, okay? He's a little grumpy old man, so you listen to him growl. But on the other side of things, their treats at the end is all those egg yolks we take out, that's their treat for being a cleanup crew. So they love that, right? Come here, guys. Come here. Come here.
He's basic.
There we go. Okay. So now we took care of the cleanup crew for later. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our mozzarella, part skim mozzarella, a little mutz, throw a little mutz on there. So grab a pinch, put them all over the top of those eggs. There we go. I like a lot of mutz. Go ahead. Any of my peeps out there from Brooklyn, right? From John's Deli. Thank you, Subway. Right? Anybody remember that? You don't remember that. You're way too young. Good. Look at all that mutz on there, eh? That's how we like it. A little bit of mozzarella. That's our favorite, right? You like the fresh mozzarella? Yeah, nice and hot. Fresh cooked. All right, good. So just take a peek at that, guys. We got our bacon, egg, and cheese here, right? Bacon, egg, and cheese. Can you see that? Let's get a good view. Lighting's bad, I know. So we're going to take this now. We're going to put it on our tray. Okay, we just got a little bit of aluminum foil. We're going to spray it up a little bit, right? Good job. Okay, so So we're gonna try to stack these so they don't fall apart. I'll stick them over in the corners and put them close together. Right? I like the cheese all over. They tend to melt together. Okay, good job. Nice work. Can you help me? Can you put a couple on there?
Yeah.
Okay, put a couple on there. Okay.
Try not to ruin them, Dad.
Yeah, no, you're doing a good job. Now look, all this extra mozzarella and bacon, right? Watch this. We'll
I'll
sprinkle it across the top. You'll eat it. Yeah, you can. You said you don't like stinky eggs. Well, bacon, egg, and cheese, baby. Here we go.
I don't like eggs, but I like bacon and cheese.
Oh, okay. So tomorrow we'll do a little bacon and cheese diet, minus these stinky eggs.
Ew.
Yeah, all right.
No.
So now we're gonna take this with one of our whole wheat tortillas. We're gonna bring it on over to the toaster. I just put it on toast, so I'll pop it in there. I like to put this on the top. So I put my my carb conscious tortilla on the bottom. 5 minutes is usually good on toast. Toast them up, and in 6 minutes we got our bacon, egg, and cheese. Now we like to do coffee with our breakfast, right? Mia loves coffee too.
I do not like coffee.
So basically, I have my grinds in there. We'll pour some boiling water. Okay. Then we'll strain it.
Can I do that?
Yeah, let it sit for a little bit.
Okay.
And in just about 5.5 minutes, we'll have some bacon, egg, and cheese the healthy way. A little bit of decaf coffee, because everybody knows how I get on caffeine. Nice cup of coffee. Oh wait, almost forgot the final ingredient, right? Those who know me know how I love my pumpkin spice. So with my coffee, we got a little bit of pumpkin spice, 1 tablespoon. We're keeping the sugar to a minimum here. So when we pour our cup of coffee, we got pumpkin spice. Oh, what kind of products do we use? We got our stevia and the raw. So we don't like the regular sugar. I don't really like equal or sweet and low or any of those things. This stuff's great, tastes good. I only use half. I use a half, okay? And then a half tomorrow when I have a next cup of coffee, and I use a tablespoon of that, okay? So enjoy, everybody. We hope you had a really quick lesson on how to make a healthy breakfast. Coach Mia and John checking out. See you guys later. Have a good day.